तो डियर लर्नर्स, आज फिर आ गए हैं हम एक्टिव वॉइस और पैसिव वॉइस के पार्ट 2 के साथ। इन माय प्रीवियस लेक्चर आई टोल्ड यू देयर आर 5 rules which are general rules for active and passive voice, where you could understand how to convert a sentence into passive voice. But now there are 5 special rules which we will be discussing now in detail. First of all, I will take you towards the continuous tense, that is started with verb first plus ing. If we find such type of sentence where verb first is used and ing is used with it, how we can convert it into passive voice? तो देखते हैं हम किस तरह से हमारे स्पेशल रूल वर्क करते हैं। स्पेशल रूल के अंदर नंबर 1 रूल आ जाता है, बीइंग का यूज करते हैं हम रिमूव करने के लिए। किस चीज को रिमूव करने के लिए? ing, that is used with verb first in present continuous tense. We use being to remove ing. It means be works as magnet. What does magnet do? A magnet does something that is to attract iron. जिस तरह से मैग्नेट आयरन को अट्रैक्ट कर लेता है, वैसे ही बी ing को अट्रैक्ट कर लेता है और वो बन जाता है बीइंग। ऐसा ही हमारा प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में होना है। यहां पर हम ing को रिमूव करने के लिए बीइंग का यूज करेंगे। लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल फॉर दैट, हाउ टू यूज बीइंग विद इट। I am singing a song. I am singing a song. As I told you in my previous video that we place object at first position, a song. Here, a song. The first rule, object becomes subject, that we have done. Object has become subject here. Then helping verb is always used. Is MR is given, then with a song we cannot use are. We will use here is. A song is. Now the foremost problem, how to remove this ing. We are to remove it by giving be, and now it will attract to ing, that's why it will become being. And now verb third is always used, that is sung by me. This is the complete sentence. A song is being sung by me. I'm singing a song is being sung by me. Here, song is working as a receiver of the action and me is doing this work. The second rule is really very easy. We are supposed not to change the tense. Here, has, have, had. In which tense are they used? They are used in perfect form of tenses. Here, has, have, had, these are present and past tense of perfect. Has, have, had. And these are used with being. These are used with being. How to use them? Let's take one example. How to use them? It's very easy. She has completed her notes. She has completed her notes. Now the simple way, we are to take object at the first position, her notes. Her notes. Now has, have, had is given, and the second rule says that we are not to change the tense of the sentence. So brother of has is have. Her notes have. And in second rule I told has, have, had are used with been. Her notes have been. What is the third rule? Verb third is always used. Completed. and then preposition is used by, and then her. It's very simple sentence that can be easily done. The third rule, modal auxiliaries. I think you know which modal auxiliaries are: can, could, shall, should, will, would, need, dare, used to, have to, had to. These are the modal auxiliaries which are always used with be. We are to use them with be. Here one sentence is there. For example, if I say I can do this, if I convert it into a subject, that will be this. Can, and I said modal auxiliaries are used with be. This can be, third rule, verb third, done by me. This can be done by me. How can we make it interrogative? Helping verb be put at first position. Can this be done by me? And the fourth rule, who replaces by whom? Who replaces by whom? That is, who teaches you? Who teaches you? This is an interrogative sentence. Who teaches you? I said by whom replaces who. It will be converted into by whom. By whom. And as I told, this is an interrogative sentence, so we are to use helping verb after WH word. By whom are. You, object becomes subject, and verb third is always used, taught. By whom are you taught? Interrogative sentence will be interrogative. By whom are you taught? And now the last rule, that is very easy. We are to convert the sentence in passive voice which are of the category imperative sentence. If I say open the door, it can easily be converted into passive voice because it is an imperative sentence, and this is starting with verb first, and its negative sentences are started with do not. Let plus object plus be plus V3. Let, we have placed this value here. Let object, which is object? The door. Let the door. Now be, verb third, open, opened. Dear learners, this was the chapter done by me. This was the second part of active voice and passive voice. Now there is no doubt in this topic. If you find any doubt, please comment me in comment box, and like my channel, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. Be contacted for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.